So as we have all these admin permissions, right, which are helping us to go ahead and configure these modules, that is the reason we are able to access the admin tools, and we are able to see the configuration options here for the corresponding modules. So if you don't have this admin privilege, right, you will not be able to see these kind of rights. So we are getting the admin set user permissions, admin privileges, or default user permission access, or we are able to see them because you are authorized or you have been granted with the admin privileges of your user security. Let me show you. See, manage security. You can see whether you are supposed to see the default user permissions, yes, or you are supposed to see the admin privileges. These things will decide whether the moment, say right now I have this access, let's say tomorrow Srini is logging into the system, say Srini is not supposed to configure the default user permissions and administrative privileges in your organization. Yes, for Srini's account, go ahead and remove these things so that Srini don't see those options at all. Srini, this is your question, Srini. This is where you are going to tell whether a user should be able to see that admin option. You have admin privileges, but inside the admin privileges, what sort of admin activities that you are supposed to do is going to be configured using these checkboxes, Srini.
Yeah, but another thing is, again, I'm assuming if we are in a role-based model,
yeah,
I don't think we even have this option. Is that a correct statement?
Yes, you don't see this option at all, Srini. That is going to work in a totally different fashion.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope like most of you, at least every one of you has admin privileges. You can just go ahead here and configure or grant all the module admin privileges to yourself. If you have any issues, please let me know, guys. And if you see right now we are accessing we are granting the admin privileges to the individual users. Srini, I didn't receive any message, Srini.
Hey, Raghu, Rupesh here.
Yeah.
Sorry for what?
Yeah, Rupesh here. I think I don't have that admin privilege.
Okay, let me quickly go ahead and grant that, guys.
Hello, this is Dipali here. I think I also don't have.
Okay, sure. Yeah, this will help you, Srini. Go ahead and see now. You will have access, Srini. Go ahead and do the rest of the things, Srini. Rupesh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have access, guys. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, cool. So that is how we are going to work with your, it's pretty simple, guys. Go ahead and do one time a little bit configuration. You will understand all those things, or you will be able to feel how it is going to work, guys. And with respect to the other model, the role-based permission framework, so with this you have seen like the administrative domain security framework, guys. So the other one is like your role-based permissions. So how your role-based permission is going to work is like little bit different, guys. So it is going to be more organized as per your organization roles, and you can categorize them based on location or based on some division or department. You can go ahead and configure the security roles, and those roles are going to be assigned to the users, guys. And directly you're not going to assign them to users, but in fact you are going to assign that to the groups, and groups you are going to add to the employees. Employees are going to be added to the groups, and groups are going to be assigned to the roles, guys. And the roles, the permission roles, are the ones which are going to hold the actual permissions. So how it works is like at a low level you are going to capture define the roles, define permission roles, and this role will tell you, say if you take an object, employee information object, so whether this permission role, it doesn't talk about people, guys. The permission role will talk about the actual permission. yes, with this permission role, go ahead and grant edit access, delete access, and create access for your employee information object. This is what it is going to tell. It doesn't tell you who is going to have this access. It will just tell you, yes, this is the permission role. XYZ is the permission role. Yes, XYZ permission role has edit, delete, create access to the employee information object. And these, what happens, like, we have something called as permission group. And this permission group is nothing but you are going to name this permission group, say it is going to be ABC permission group. And in this permission group, you are going to group people based on, it can be based on their username or based on their division or department or location or country. In fact, anything, guys. Lot of parameters are available. You can categorize or create groups based on any of those criteria. And once you have defined this permission group, right, what you are going to do is, like, under to your permission role, you will assign your permission group. And what your permission group is going to have is, like, it is nothing but you are going to assign some users ultimately, right? Based on some criteria, you are going to assign users. So this is how it is going to happen, guys. You have your permission roles, and the permission roles, to the permission roles you are going to assign the permission group, and what the permission group is going to hold is, like, nothing but it is going to have the actual users, guys.
So can I understand why you said that, why SAP did it later on, because it's exactly same as SAP.
Exactly.
Can users be assigned directly to the roles?
No. It's not at all possible, guys.
Not here?
Not here.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, someone else is asking question, guys.
Raghu, is it RBP we are talking about here?
Yeah. The role-based permission, I told you, right? We are talking about the RBP. This is the one that we are talking about, guys.
So Raghu, like how in SAP we can, like when we create a role or authorization, we can go to a level of like info types and say, okay, this employee can only see or like only edit or just view these particular info types. Can we also go to, I know here there is no info types, but can we go to the screen level and do it here, like?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go to the object level, and under the object you see the different fields. Yes, the employee, whether this role, we don't talk about role, we don't talk about employee here, but we talk about role. Yes, this role is supposed to view this field, or they should be able to edit this field, or they should be able to delete the data in this object. Those kind of things you are going to configure with your permission roles.
Okay.
Yeah. And coming back to the activating, let me activate it, guys, because it is going to take some time to get reflect to your instance. It will take like a couple of minutes, guys, to get reflect in your instance. So where you are going to activate your role-based permissions, you can see here. If you just search for your role-based permissions, you can see here. And here you can see there is one more thing. So this is the place where you are going to activate your role-based permissions, guys. And so the moment you select these things, it's just a checkbox, guys, in your provisioning system. Let me be very specific. Yes, this is one of the feature, right? You are going to do this in the provisioning system, guys. Activate that particular switch, that particular feature, or deactivate that feature in the provisioning system and save the feature, guys. Oh, sorry, guys, its session got expired. Let me log in here. If you go to your company settings, under the
Raghu, a quick question.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Rupesh.
Go ahead.
So can we have a kind of hybrid model, a hybrid security model, like for some of the modules, if I want to go ahead with admin privileges and for some I want to have role-based permission, is it possible?
No, guys, it's not possible. It's one or the other. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you repeat that, Raghu? The audio was not clear for me.
No, you
Just
can go
cracking.
with either
So
one
you're
of
saying,
those things.
what was either or?
No,
So
you can
which
go
one?
with either role-based permission framework, or you can go with administrative domain security framework. That's it. You cannot go with a
Okay.
hybrid kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just activated that, guys. It will take definitely it will take couple of minutes, guys. At least 10 to 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do is, like, if you have any questions, just go ahead, guys. Otherwise, I activated that, right? We'll see this tomorrow session, guys. I know, like, you doesn't receive the material from my side, right? Please let me know, guys, who didn't receive that. I'll send that to you.
So Raghu, this is Sri. So in moving forward, all the classes, are we going to follow administrative, or are we going to follow the role based?
Yeah. What my plan is, like, let me tell you my plan, guys. We'll use the administrative domain, and we'll see, like, we'll try to understand these things, and we'll work on these things with respect to your goal, performance, and your compensation. And we are going to work on the RBP with respect to your employee central module. So you'll get both the flavors. You will see one system with your RBP, and you see other modules with your administrative domain, so that you can clearly differentiate how your administrative domain framework is going to work and how your RBP is going to work.
So Raghu, can we add a comp or any other module, because from the talent management, so that comp will also.
Yeah, no. See, the moment you activate, right? Yes, you can go ahead and do the same sort of configuration, whatever you are going to do in the administrative privileges, so that you know, like, you should be aware working in both the environments, in both the security models. Yes, first we are going to activate the administrative domain, see, like, how the configuration goes, and then the moment you activate RBP, right, with the kind of experience that you are going to get here, right, with the compensation module or any other module, go ahead and do the same thing. You will be able to do that, guys, with a minimum, because RBP, the moment you activate, once you understand RBP, right, yes, you will be able to do the rest of the configuration, guys.
Okay, so you will leave it RBP for a couple of days, so that we can go.
Oh yeah. In fact, guys, it will be with you for some days. It is more than sufficient time to go ahead and do or play around that modules.
Raghu, I have a question.
Yeah, someone is talking, guys. Your voice is very low.
Hi, Raghu, this is Rohini. Am I audible now?
Raghu, this is Ray. You are saying the material, the very first one, or is there any other material?
No, the introduction to master material, Ray.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Rohini, you are asking something, right? Sorry.
Yeah, Raghu, so my question is, so in real-time implementation, say if we are using, activating all the modules like all EC compensation, so we can only go with either of the model, right?
Yes.
So wouldn't it be a downside, because EC is, as you stated, that more based on the role-based privileges, and then we are now forced to use the other admin privileges because we are using it for the other module.
No. It's not that your other modules are tied only to your administrative domain privileges. Your role-based permission works on the
more flexible, isn't it?
Yeah, it's more flexible and it is very easy to maintain, but there are security loopholes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, probably going forward, are we going to see something, in the coming upgrades, some fusion or, a hybrid kind of security model?
No, I don't think so, guys. They are just concentrating on only an RBP. I don't think they have any plan with respect to hybrid security model. Going forward, yes, definitely RBP is the is the one where more focus or more enhancement is going to be done with respect to the RBP.
So gradually they would be moving to RBP.
No, I don't say moving, but more features, right, is going to come with your RBP.